Hello guys, welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to integrate a Mailchimp form into your PageFly page. So firstly, what's a Mailchimp form? Mailchimp is an official app integrated with PageFly that helps you to create a subscription form on your page. It helps you to collect contact information for email campaigns and to grow your audience. So let me show you how to get a Mailchimp form onto your page. Okay, so first off, you can visit your Mailchimp account by clicking on the link in the description. From here, we're going to go on to Audience and Audience Dashboard. Okay, so if you have more than one audience, you can choose your audience here. And after that, we're going to go on Manage Audience and Signup Forms. And we're going to go down to Embedded Forms. And this is going to give us a choice of 5 different types of embedded forms. We're just going to go with the classic one. So come down here to the code and find this part here, form action. And we're going to copy everything in between the quotation marks here. Okay, so we can head back to PageFly and we can add a Mailchimp form just here. Select the form. And in the action URL, I'm going to paste that code. Then we can save. And after that, we can publish. And once it's published, we can test it out by going on Live View and entering an email. To see if it works. And there we go, that's subscription confirmed. Note that there's no way to stay on the same page after you've clicked the subscribe button. Alright, so that's the end of the tutorial. Hope you guys all now understand how to add a Mailchimp form to your page. To learn more about PageFly, check out our other video tutorials and visit our help center. Thanks for watching, see you next time.